If you ever find yourself stuck in the middle of the sea, I'll sail the world to find you. If you ever find yourself lost in the dark and you can't see, I'll be the light to guide you. Find out what we're made of when we are called to help our friends in need.
My name is Khurshid Alam Chishti, a proud graduate of UET Lahore from the 78 electrical batch and currently serving as a director and secretary of UET Alumni of Canada.
ثم خلقنا النطفة علقة فخلقنا العلقة مضغة فخلقنا المضغة عظاما فكسونا العظام لحما.
So in 2024 was a remarkable year. So this year we raised around 106 scholarships for the needy UETian students. So this year we also have cyber security workshops with the help of TD Bank, because some of our members' phone was hacked, so we decided to create that awareness. So that was a huge success. And then we engaged Epic Engineering for PO credits. So I request Malik Maqsood Saheb to take care of that. So he promised that he will do water filtration plant on all 17 hostels. So it's a huge project. It's around $40,000 project, US dollars actually. And we really grateful Malik Saheb for doing that.
Thank you so much, Irfan Saheb, for the opportunity, and it's my pleasure from the bottom of my heart to do something for my school. But this time I'm doing for a good cause for my late parents. So I will be dedicating this to my mom and my dad, who are the reason I'm here and I'm capable of doing all these things which I'm doing right now. So thank you so much. And I appreciate it.
You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. Cause that's what friends are supposed to do. Oh, yeah.
Last year हमने 10 scholarship दिए थे.
If you're tossing and you're turning and you just can't fall asleep, I'll sing a song beside you. And if you ever forget how much you really mean to me,
छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा, बदला ये मौसम लगे प्यारा जग सारा। छूकर मेरे मन को किया तूने क्या इशारा। जिंदगी से खो जाए वो लोग आपने शायद देखे ना हो, मगर ऐसे भी हैं।
Count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4, 3, 2, and you'll be there. 'Cause that's what friends are supposed to do.